How to find and replace text elements in Microsoft Word. In this video, you will be learning about finding and replacing text elements in Microsoft Word. This video is for beginners. Hi everyone, we are Connect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow which aims to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. The profits from our organisation go towards running our free IT classes and befriending events in the community. Subscribe to our channel to get notified when we release more helpful videos. Word can automatically search your document using the Find feature, and it allows you to quickly change words or phrases using Replace. How to find text. In our example, we've written a text and we'll use the Find command to locate all instances of a particular word. First, from the Home tab, click the Find command. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl+F on your keyboard. Then the navigation pane will appear on the left side of the screen. Then type the text you want to find in the field at the top of the navigation pane. In our example, we'll type the word we're looking for. Then, if the text is found in the document, it will be highlighted in yellow and a preview of the results will appear in the navigation pane. Alternatively, you can click one of the results below the arrows to jump to it. Then, when you are finished, click the X to close the navigation pane. The highlight will disappear. How to replace text. At times, you may discover that you've made a mistake repeatedly throughout your document, such as misspelling a person's name, or that you need to exchange a particular word or phrase for another. You can use Word's Find and Replace feature to quickly make revisions. In our example, we'll use Find and Replace to change the title of a word so it is abbreviated. First, from the Home tab, click the Replace command. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl+H on your keyboard. Then the Find and Replace dialog box will appear. Then type the text you want to find in the Find What field. Then type the text you want to replace it with in the Replace With field. Then click Find Next. Then Word will find the first instance of the text and highlight it in grey. Then review the text to make sure you want to replace it. We'll click Find Next again to jump to the next instance. Then, if you want to replace it, you can click Replace to change individual instances of text. Alternatively, you can click Replace All to replace every instance of the text throughout the document. Then, when you're done, click Close or Cancel to close the dialog box. For more search options, click More in the Find and Replace dialog box. From here, you can select additional search options, such as matching case and ignoring punctuation. When it comes to using Replace All, it's important to remember that it could find matches you didn't anticipate and that you might not actually want to change. You should only use this option if you're absolutely sure it won't replace anything you didn't intend it to. Now that you've learned about how to find and replace text in Microsoft Word, why not check out our other videos to learn more? You can build on this foundation and learn how to browse the web safely, and do whatever you want with your computer and the internet. If you like this video, please like, share it and subscribe to our channel. Questions for you. What do you want to learn? What tips will be valuable to you? Please leave a comment below. If you need help with your computer or internet skills, please feel free to contact us.